Are you boring in your English classes? Are you tired of listening to teacher all the time and all the time talking about phonetics, phonology, everything that you ever heard? Yeah, because I got your back. Okay, now we are here in order to present one of the most incredible, efficiently, and better website that you ever saw. So let me just give you a brief introduction. The name of this website is Notion, and on our website you're gonna be able to see anything about languages, most specifically related to phonetics. What are you gonna have? Let me just give you a brief introduction. You're gonna be able to see different topics. You're gonna be able to listen videos. You're gonna be able to also um, double check information and see the physical parts that are involved in order to create one specific sound. So let me just give you a brief introduction as I mentioned before. So if you go into this website, you're gonna be able to see different tabs. Those tabs have a specific function. For example, the first one, you're gonna be able to see different information about phonological basic concepts like phonemes, phonemes, diphthongs, vowels, etc. On the main page, you're gonna be able to see three important branches, which are the vowels, the consonants, and diphthongs as well. So, because you are gonna be able to listen videos, you're gonna be to able to listen the sound specifically without go out of your browser. You are gonna be also able to see in real time
Hello
classes
everyone.
related to this
We're gonna
specific sound and how you will pronounce it, right? As Latin American
Hello
speakers,
everyone.
since
Now
we are
let's move
not
on to back vowels.
native
Okay, we are gonna talk about
speakers, we
central
have
vowel.
our different ways to produce those specific sounds, right? So this is different because you are gonna be able to see like classes from your class, like let's say this is university classes, different classes about these specific topics. You're gonna be also able to
Different
double
vowels are
check
classification given by
information.
vowels.
You're gonna be able to see the body parts that are involved through your oral cavity in order to produce the schwa, the she, the different English sounds, which is difficult and extremely hard to have like a good website with all the information, with also
The
all
phonetic
those specific
groups
requirements related to English. So we would like to invite you to join in our website to invest in our website because this website has a pretty interesting and pretty accurate information related to this specific topic. So we would like to invite you. We would like to stop the boring classes, the same teacher talking and talking and talking and talking, and you get bored for it. So this is the best website that you ever heard, that you ever saw, and also this is gonna be the best website that you ever gonna interact with.
Nose.
So don't waste your time trying to look for Google, Wikipedia, and this stuff information. You will like just come with us, just join with us, have a real and good travel with this specific website, and I hope you enjoy it.